Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo, extra hot Forex. So let's go to our daily analysis. It's Wednesday, so let's go to NASDAQ, US30 and gold. So we will start with NASDAQ as always. You can see that here is 4-hour time frame, guys. On this 4-hour time frame, guys, I think everything was quite clear that we had some like very strong bearish momentum. You saw we had something like this. The market was just going lower and lower. So we expected the market to come back, obviously. So let me just change the time frame. Okay, you can see that. So we had this crazy bearish momentum, which the market was just going lower, which is very good because we wanted the market, so that when the market recovers from that, we will see a very strong bullish momentum, because here this bullish momentum was now very weak. Just look at this candlesticks, just look at bullish candlesticks around this area. You can see they were very weak. That's why we saw the market going lower, you see. So from that, we expect the market to give us some strong candlesticks. You can see from this ones, you can see from this ones. Now the candlesticks for bullish momentum, they are getting bigger and bigger. Why? Because now at least the market refreshed, guys, you see. So the market refreshed. So this line, I drawn this yesterday, as this was our higher low. So since the market was just going lower, we expected the market to buy only when the market when the market breaks this resistance. Then you can see this after the breakout is where you can buy. But mostly, or the safest one, is we buy when we wait for a retest. Like here, we were supposed to take a trade, then boom, the market can still push higher. Why? Because we have a nice breakout. This is a retest, then the market can push higher. So again, if you missed this area, if you missed this area, you can still have some nice entries. I just want to make this thing more visible. Still, if you missed this area, it seems to be now strong, because you can see the market respected that. So we expect the market to come back again before going higher. Why? Because we also have another weak resistance. You can see from this area. Let me draw that nicely. Let me just go to an hour so that you can see the bigger picture on, like, with multiple candlesticks. Okay, so let me draw that with something like this. We can start from here. You can see that. So this area, actually, it's a zone, but it's not perfect. It's not really perfect. Or maybe we can just leave it here and just make it like this. Just leave it like this here. So this is also an area that we can also look at. You can see this area here. So now you can see there are several candlesticks which resisted from that area, which makes it a resistant area. I know that this obviously is not really that strong. Why? Because now the market is pushing higher. So it means, what do we expect? We can just expect a small consolidation. Why? Because the market won't just make it easy for us just to see a breakout, then boom, the market is going up exactly as we expected. So I think after that, the market will just try to confuse us by just consolidating before it pushes higher again. Because I think everyone, after this sell-off, everyone is expecting to buy, obviously. So I know that if everyone is expecting to buy, and obviously the market won't just create that nice buy immediately. So I think the market will just create some confusion with a ranging market or consolidating market before we can see another push, you see. So don't just expect the market to go crazy after this. The market can do that, but Here the market will just try to confuse us, then when you forgot, boom, the market will just go higher. So the overview for today is we can look at this resistance here, this resistance here. Then after that, if it's broken, we can say we can buy, or if it reaches our support level again, it's where we can say we can have another buy. You see, so actually we are looking at only buys. Why? Because we are done with that bearish momentum that, so we now broke that. It means now we changed the direction. Now the market is supposed to go up because we changing we changed the momentum of selling, or the bearish momentum. Now we're looking at bullish momentum, which is uptrending. You see, so it means we just going to look for those higher lows. Then we get that. If it doesn't reach this area, it means we can wait for the market to break this area and get it there. You see, so let's go straight to US30, guys, and see what we can get from there. Let's see. Yeah, here it's US30, guys. Or before I go there, let me show you some good stuff here, guys. I still have this specialist $15 one-time fee. You get signals for NASDAQ, US30 and gold. So here it's my contacts. You can just WhatsApp me or Telegram me. And also we have a system which is $50, guys. I think we left with only 3 people to join before it reaches, is going back to $50. I just make a special for only 10 people for $35. So if you want the system, just talk to me, then you can get it. I think we left with only 3 people to join until it goes back to $50. So yeah, thank you. Let's go back to US30. So US30 also did the same thing as NASDAQ. We saw a strong sell-off. Then after that, we saw another recovery. So remember, guys, we might see the market pushing higher, maybe to 35,400 this week or coming week. So you see this resistance here that we have, sorry, this support that we have here. This withdrawn yesterday, so that if the market pushes above here, we're going to buy, and we bought and we made some nice profits. So here we are again, guys. So for us to buy, obviously we have to look. So for us to say we want to buy again, because now we're looking at a bullish momentum, so it means we just have to be like extra careful, because now the market is on the middle. You can see actually here the market is just creating something like that, actually on a bigger picture, if you just look, if we don't count this one. So to buy here, it will be like something, yeah, I don't think we can just buy here unless we see a very nice structure. Maybe let's go to an hour and see what we can get from here. I think we have a structure, guys. You see where I drawn this resistance? If you see that, and we also have something like this, so it means we can buy if the market is on like 34,500. Yes, we can buy that. Or if the market is breaking this area, if maybe we see another retest, maybe at 34,630, then we can say now it's time to buy. You see, but without that, I think now we are like short term overbought, so we can't just jump on the market. We might see another sell off, maybe another retest to reach this area before we can see the market pushing higher. It's possible. So it means for us to buy, we just have to wait for this breaking this area or this area, then we can say now it's time to buy again. So it means on US30 you just need to wait for the market to reach this area, I mean to break this area, or maybe to wait for a small sell-off, then we can get on the market again. Because we also had the similar thing happen to NASDAQ. Because let me show you that we had the similar I want to clear that. We also had similar thing let me show you this resistance. You see, so the market was like playing below this resistance. Then after we have a breakout, you see this, then we had a retest. Then the market played around, the market consolidated, but a small sell-off before we see a bullish momentum. So it means it's quite clear that now the market is on bullish. We can just try to draw. Let's try to draw that. The market changed the direction. We can see, let me remove this and make an uptrend like this. Yeah, you can also rely on that. Let's see if maybe you see the market, the market done something like, if it's possible that the market can still go lower, retest here, touch this area before we see another bullish momentum. So the best thing is we just need to wait. Already we know that, okay, the market is now pushing higher, but we need to get those nice entries. When the market is lower, it's where we go into buy. We don't buy anywhere just because we know that it's an uptrend. We have to wait for the market to go a little bit lower, where we can get some nice price, then we can buy from that. You see, so the overview for today is we're looking to buy US30. That is the overview for today, unless maybe we see the market going crazy and doing some extra sell-off again, then we can change our mind and say now things changed. But at the moment we're looking for a very nice buy from these areas. So yeah, that is enough for today on US30. So let's go and check what's happening on gold. Gold is been playing around, guys. I saw a sell-off yesterday on gold. Even now it seems to be selling off. If you still remember, I told you that gold is actually on a downtrend, but I hope you did not forget that. Okay, so let me, okay, yeah, it's like this. So at the moment we see like gold is playing around here. So for us to buy, guys, I think we can just buy it when it's on their support, because this actually is just consolidation. It's not a clear move that you can just enjoy your trade. So from this you can just lose so much money, because the market will just go up and down. So what we want moves like this, where the market is going up, you see. So it means we have to wait for the market to reach like 1,000, or let's just say 1,800 around this area. If it reaches that area, it's where we can say we can buy. If it's also respected this support, then maybe our stop loss will be around here. If it will respect this support like previously, yes, we can have some nice profits. But unless if maybe this consolidation is going to continue, maybe we'll see the market going up, coming down, up and down like that. So which I don't like. That's why at the moment we are not trading gold. So we need some clear moves, like clear trend, where we can have some nice profits, you see. So I think maybe for gold, we're just waiting for the market to reach like 1.8 or 1,800. So if it reaches this area, it's where we can say now we can buy. Unless the market breaks and go lower, it's where we're going to change our mind and say maybe now it's time to think about selling, you see. Because now we say it's a buy because we have this support here, where we can rely on and say if the market reaches that, we can wait for a small bounce back, then we can just place our buy pending order. Then if it goes up, it's where we can buy, you see. So yeah, I think maybe for today, it's enough for today's analysis. So guys, if you want to talk to me, check my description. You will find my contacts. Check my Telegram or WhatsApp number. It's also on my description. So if you want to be in the group, you know what to do. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Let's grow the channel. Thanks to everyone who already subscribed. This is Kenzo Extra Hot Forex. Bow.